Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat, Wagayway Equality Inc. in partnership with Love Yourself Inc., Pilipinas Shell Foundation, Silver Peak, Achieve UNAIDS Project, USAID and FHI para sa launching ng Espasyo by Wagayway Equality, a community center for LGBTQIA+ youth and key populations affected by HIV. Magandang araw rin kina Honorable Mayor Beverly D. Macuja, Vice Mayor Attorney Alisa Cruz, and all provincial LGU and city officials present at the event today. I am one with you in your advocacies for HIV and AIDS awareness and healing, SOGIESC equality, and human rights in Batangas. Swerte ang mga Batanggenyo sa matapang na pagtataguyod ninyo ng pagkakapantay-pantay. Maraming salamat sa patuloy ninyong pagsusulong para sa mga advokasiyang ito. Malapit sa puso ko ang laban para sa SOGI equality dahil na rin sa kasaysayan ng diskriminasyon at pang-aabuso na naranasan at patuloy na nararanasan ng mga kababaihan. Our journey is in many ways similar. Bagamat napakarami na nating naipanalo, buo ang loob ko sa paniniwalang hindi natin tuluyang maipapanalo ang laban ng pagkakapantay-pantay kung hindi natin panindigan ang karapatan ng LGBTQIA+ community. Sila na nakararanas din ng diskriminasyon base sa kanilang sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression. Nakita na ng mga Pilipino kung paano gumaganda ang mga komunidad natin pag nagbibigay tayo ng espasyo para sa kababaihan. Can we dare to imagine what it would be like to embrace equality entirely? Walang equality kung may isang hindi kasama. Ang SOGI Equality Bill na inihain ko ay naghahangad na pangalagaan ang mismong mga pundasyon ng isang marangal na buhay at kaligtasan. Tinitiyak na ang diskriminasyon ay hindi humahadlang sa ating mga karapatan, kaligtasan, kalusugan, edukasyon at hanap buhay. Iyon lang ang ninanais ng SOGI Equality Bill. Hindi ba iyan din naman ang gusto nating lahat? Bakit nating ipagkakait mula sa kapwa nating Pilipino? Praktikal lang naman ang panukalang batas na ito because we all have SOGIs. The bill will fortify the social protections of our laws, making them explicit and straightforward against the oppressions many are experiencing because of their SOGI. Although the SOGI Equality Bill has been met with much resistance, there has also been much openness. Sometimes all it takes to understand is genuine dialogue and conversation. I have been privileged to have many opportunities for these transformative meetings over the years. I find them to be some of the most fulfilling parts of my work as a senator who tries to consistently meet with our advocates and constituents. And each time we meet, there is always something to learn. I hope you take the time to have these conversations and you never tire having them. This is the most basic way we return humanity to each other, beyond labels, beyond biases, beyond prejudice. There is real power in the movement of the LGBTQIA+ community to bridge people once more in the deeply divided society we've created. We can undo severance, heal wounds, if we remain steadfast for equality. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan sa patuloy ninyong pakikipaglaban para sa SOGI equality. Simula pa lang ito. Mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang mga Batanggenyo,